In our previous lecture, we have set up our front end. Now in this, we are going to work on footer. One by one, I will be showing you all the components, whatever we are working in this project. I will be telling you each and everything. If you want, you can use Tailwind. If you want, you can use other packages. But for this project, I will be showing you every functionality so that it will help you in your final year projects. I will be closing all the files. Inside SRC, I will create one folder. I will give the folder name as components. Inside this, I will be creating footer.jsx. And here, I will be writing RFCE. Remove this div. Inside this, I will be creating footer element. I will give the class as footer. Now, for this entire project, I have already done the styling. So we will not be working on CSS. If you want to style this project using Tailwind CSS, accordingly, you can proceed with the classes. But whatever styling I am using in this project, you will be getting all the stylings and link is provided in the description. Download all the styling and whatever features we are going to use in this project, you will be finding styling for all the features. If I open this, accordingly, I'm going to have all the stylings. I will copy entire thing inside my project, inside SRC, I'm just going to paste. Now here, replace the file in the destination because whatever styling I am having in index.css, I want all the styling. So simply replace this file. Now inside SRC, you can see I am having different folders where I have given all the stylings. This footer is nothing but component. So all the stylings will be present inside component styles.css. So here we are having footer.css and inside index.css, let me show you. You can see you will be having this styling. Now close this. I'm just going to import style sheet. Here I will write import. I will come inside this component styles. From there, I'm just going to import this footer.css. And this footer, I'm just going to render inside home.jsx. Remove this entire thing. Here I will be passing footer. Hit enter. Footer component will be imported. Let me close. Come here. Now you can see whatever stylings I have given. Successfully, I am able to apply that styling. Now inside footer, I will be using icons. So I'm just going to install the package. Open terminal. Here I will be pasting this command. So exact same thing you have to install so that whatever icons I will be using, you will be having the same result. And we are using MUI icon material and also emotion react, emotion style and styled engine. Hit enter and all these packages will be installed. Until it's getting installed, let us write the code. Inside this footer component, I will be creating div and for this I will give the class as footer container. And inside this, I will be dividing footer into 3 sections. So this will be our first section, section 1. Below this, I will be creating one div and for this, I will be giving the class as footer section and also I will be giving the class as contact. Here I am going to write H3, then I will give the text as contact us. Below this, I will be creating one paragraph and inside this, I will be using this phone icon. Directly I am going to close and then I will be passing the text phone plus I'm just going to pass some number. Below this, I will be creating another paragraph and here I will be passing mail icon and then I'm just going to write email. Here I will be writing khanamtestad@gmail.com. Okay, this is the admin email which we are going to use in this project. Okay, successfully all the packages are installed. Now let me open package.json. Inside this you can see I am having all the packages. Now here I have used phone and email. So above this, I have to import. I will import phone, and also I have used mail. From I will be passing this package name MUI icons material. Now save this. Come here, refresh once. Now you can see I am having contact us, phone, email, all the icons are displayed. Let me decrease the size. I will give 100. So this is my first section. And for this phone and email, I will also give the size. Here I will be passing font size. Let me just write here small. Same thing I will copy. And for this mail also, I will be passing. Now you can see this will be my result. This is my first section. Below this, I will be creating section 2. Here I will write div. For this, I will give the class as footer section, and here I will be using social media icons. So here I will pass the class as social. Inside this again H3, here I will be writing follow me. And below this, I will be creating another div. For this, I will give the class as social links. All the stylings I have already provided. Accordingly, you can do the adjustment. Here I will be writing anchor tag, and inside this I will be passing GitHub link. But let me just write a target, and whenever I click on this, I should be redirected to new tab. So here I will be passing underscore blank, and inside this I will be passing this GitHub link. As soon as I hit enter, this GitHub will be imported from icon material. Now for this GitHub, I will be passing the class name. Class name, let me just pass social icon. Save this, come here. Now you can see this is my GitHub link. Same way, copy, paste. Here I will be passing LinkedIn. You can see here I am having LinkedIn, same thing. Again, I will copy. Below this, I will be pasting. In place of this, I will be passing YouTube. Hit enter, then finally paste. And here I'm just going to pass Instagram. Hit enter. All the icons are imported. Now here I am having the result GitHub, LinkedIn, YouTube and Instagram. So this is my second section. Accordingly, you can pass all the links. Whenever you click on the icons, you should be redirected to that site. Now close this. Below this, I will be creating third section, section 3. For this, I will give the class footer section, and also I'm going to give the class as about. Inside this H3, I will give the text as about. Below this, I will write paragraph. Inside this, I will pass one text. I have passed the text. Save this. Now you can see this is my footer. And finally, below this div, okay, this is my entire div section. Below this div, I will be creating another div. For this, I will give the class as footer bottom. Here I will be writing paragraph. Then I'm just going to write this copyright symbol. Okay, this is the entity. And then I will be passing 2025 Khanam coding. And then I will be passing all rights reserved. Save this. Come here. Now you can see successfully we have completed our footer design. So inside this footer, I am having two children. Inside this, I am having three sections. And here I have simply displayed copyright message. Now inside home.jsx, we have rendered. So what I will do, here I will be creating one div. And for this div, I will give the class as home container. And inside this, I'm just going to render footer. And this home is nothing but page. So inside page styles, I will be having the file home.css where I have given all the stylings. Come here. Above this, I'm just going to import. Import. I will come inside this pages style. From there, I'm just going to access this home.css. Below this, I will be writing h2, and here I will give the class as home heading, and then I will be passing the text as trending now. Save this, format. Now you can see this is my home. Now let me come here. Okay, this is my output. So what I will do, I will just bring this footer down, and this entire thing I'm just going to wrap using these fragments. And below this I'm going to close. Now save this. Successfully, whatever stylings I have given, I am able to apply all the stylings.